If you're 62 or older and own your home, you could be sitting on hundreds of thousands of dollars and not even know it. Most seniors on a fixed income face the same challenge: rising costs, medical bills, not enough monthly cash flow. You've spent decades paying off your mortgage and building equity in your home, but that equity is just sitting there doing nothing. What if your home could pay you back? A reverse mortgage, also known as a HECM loan, allows homeowners 62 and older to convert their home equity into tax-free cash. Here's the best part: you never have to make a monthly mortgage payment. You stay in your home, you keep full ownership, and you get access to cash you can use any way you want. Pay off debt, cover medical expenses, travel, or simply enjoy your retirement. Here's how it works in 4 simple steps. Step 1. You apply for a reverse mortgage through a licensed lender. Step 2. An FHA-approved appraiser determines your home's value. Step 3. Based on your age and home value, you receive a lump sum, monthly payments, or a line of credit. Step 4. You continue living in your home with absolutely no monthly mortgage payments. The loan is only repaid when you sell the home, move out, or pass away. To qualify, you must meet 4 simple requirements. You must be 62 years of age or older. You must own your home outright or have significant equity. You must live in the home as your primary residence. And you must complete a short counseling session with a HUD-approved counselor, which we can help arrange for you. If you're in California and want to find out how much tax-free cash your home qualifies for, call or text LA Mortgage today at 310-571-5750 or visit us online at losangelesmortgage.com. Our consultation is completely free and there is absolutely no obligation. Don't let your home equity sit there doing nothing. Put it to work for you today.